In this video, we'll show you how to correctly install vinyl stair treads and risers. For this installation, you will need the following tools, which can easily be purchased from a local flooring supply store: tape measure, pencil, hammer, stair measuring tool, caulk gun, performance accessories tread bond, finish nailer, vinyl floor putty, vacuum, straight edge, sandpaper, circular saw. Before starting the installation, you'll need to prepare the staircase. First, remove any pre-existing spindles. You'll reinstall them once the new treads are in place and the glue has cured. If the steps are thicker than 1 inch, remove any overhang over 1/4 inch, using a circular saw to bring it flush with the structural riser. You will need a hammer and chisel when working close to walls. Next, repair or replace any loose or damaged treads or risers. Then clean the stairs thoroughly. Be sure to remove any loose paint, carpet staples, debris, wax, or old adhesives. Starting with the first structural riser at the bottom of the staircase, measure the width, side to side, and the height from the floor to the top of the first step. Mark a riser and cut to the appropriate width and height. Next, measure the width and depth of the first step, side to side and front to back, then mark the vinyl tread. Be sure to measure each step individually, since they often vary. For closed stairs with walls on both sides, use a miter saw to cut both sides of the tread according to the width of the step. For an open stair, cut the tread to the measured width, so that the pre-mitered side of the new tread fits flush with the structural stair on the open end. This will be important for installing the return. Next, cut the new tread to the measured depth. Now you're ready for installation. To ensure a strong adhesion, lightly sand the back of the risers and new treads with 400 grit sandpaper, and wipe the surface with denatured alcohol on a clean cloth. On the back of the riser, apply a 1/4 inch bead of Performance Accessories tread bond around the perimeter, as well as a serpentine bead through the middle. Fit the riser into place. Now apply the adhesive to the new tread and fit into place. Repeat this process, installing a riser, then a tread, until you reach the top of the staircase. To finish the staircase, install a coordinating stair nose where the last riser meets the floor above. Open steps will also require returns. Measure and cut the back of the return at a 45-degree angle. Attach it to the stair using glue at the joint. Also apply 1 3/4 inch long nails with an 18-gauge brad nailer. Use vinyl filler putty to conceal any nail holes. To finish the raw edge of the risers, add end caps or small trim pieces. Once everything is in place and the glue has time to cure, you can reattach any spindles. And now, the beautiful new staircase is ready for you to enjoy.